What should be included in a workers' compensation settlement request? Attorney Terry Dodds says, settlement requests largely depend on the severity of the injury and other factors as well. The more serious of an injury or the more permanent the injury, the more the employee is likely to recover. Some of the considerations that the attorney and the client need to take into account when they decide whether or not to settle includes deciding whether or not to leave medical open. If somebody is permanently and totally disabled, often the insurer is not going to want to leave the medical portion of the claim open. However, that is a consideration that the employee must take into account. If they do have permanent, disabling, or debilitating injuries, and they close the claim, then the employer is going to cut off those payments so that they don't have to continue to pay for any future cost. Another thing to consider when deciding whether or not the time is right to settle a work comp claim is any reimbursement that may need to be made to the health insurance company, as well as additional medical care providers that might need to be compensated. In some situations, Medicare is going to be involved to ensure those Medicare interests are also properly protected if necessary. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Terry Dodds in Bloomington, Illinois at 309-829-9300 or visit his website at www.doddslawoffice.com.